Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Poonam and you're watching me on Gista English. Well friends, as we know, according to the today's trends, people are so much fond of buying branded stuff, clothes, watches, accessories, shoes, blah blah blah. There's so many things to buy, in branded stuff. Obviously, because their quality, their design is so superior, and the most important point is that to influence others. कौन नहीं चाहता आज के टाइम में सबसे बेस्ट लगना। तो सभी को चाहिए कि हमें ब्रांडेड कपड़े खरीदने हैं, मॉल्स में जाना है, शॉपिंग करना है, स्टाइल मारना है, एवरीथिंग फुल टोस, हाई फाई. So, what happens if you go to a mall to buy your favorite brand, your favorite clothes, and गलती से आपने उस ब्रांड का नाम मिसप्रोनाउंस कर दिया, आपको नहीं पता कैसे प्रोनाउंस करते उस ब्रांड को, एंड ऊपर से किसी ने आके आपको टोक दिया कि इस ब्रांड को ऐसे नहीं बोला जाता, वैसे बोला जाता है. What will happen? Obviously, you'll die of embarrassment. एंड वट हैपन्स इफ इन केस आपके साथ आपका पार्टनर हो, फिर तो भैया अच्छी से बेइज्जती हो जानी है, कुछ नहीं हो सकता. सो फ्रेंड्स, टू अवॉइड दैट काइंड ऑफ एम्बैरेसिंग सिचुएशन, you should watch this full video. Okay, this is the video on the pronunciation of brands names. Yes. This is a brand, very common brand for fast food, especially for burgers. Yum. McPuff, Aloo Tikki, McVeggie. There's so many tasty burgers. Yes, McDonald's. Guys, that is a wrong pronunciation. You don't have to pronounce this word as McDonald. इसे pronounce किया जाता है McDonald. McDonald, not Mac. Mick. So how you guys have to pronounce? McDonald. Correct. Next brand is from French with a crocodile logo. Guess what? Crocodile logo, very common. Everyone must have seen this brand and even bought few t-shirts. They have such an amazing t-shirts and shoes collections. Lacoste. No, this is not Lacoste. This is Lacoste. Lacoste. This is how to pronounce this word. Lacoste. Repeat. Lacoste. Yes. I'm having few t-shirts from Lacoste and they are amazing, guys. You should try this brand. I love this, especially the logo of that crocodile. It's a bit like terrifying, but still I love this brand. So our next brand is Hermes. No friends, this is not Hermes. You have to pronounce this brand as Hermes. H has to be silent. Hermes. What do you have to pronounce? Hermes. This is a brand from French and it manufactures all luxury products, luxury goods like watches, shoes, accessories, leathers. It's a very famous brand. So how you have to pronounce this brand? Hermes. Correct. So let's move on to the next brand, which is very common and half of the population use that brand. Guess what? It's a very famous and common brand in electronics, in phones. Samsung. No, this was a wrong pronunciation actually. Samsung, which you guys used to pronounce. This is not Samsung. You have to pronounce this word as Samsung. Samsung. This is the correct pronunciation of this brand. So how you guys have to pronounce? Samsung. So हमारा next brand है, this is also very famous in India, very common, and everyone almost in family uses it. This is the second largest manufacturer of cars. And you know this Centro, i10, i20 and Verna, these are the products of this brand only. Hyundai. No, you guys have been pronouncing this word, this brand wrongly. This is not Hyundai, this is Hyundai. Hyundai. Hyundai, okay? This is how you have to pronounce this brand, Hyundai. I have a Hyundai car. So our next brand is, which is also very common, everyone knows that brand and obviously have shopped many clothes from there. It's a global fashion from Italy and commonly known for its clothings. Benetton. What? You guys have been pronouncing this brand as Benetton, right? But you were wrong. This brand has to be pronounced as Benetton. Benetton. I love bags from Benetton. Yes. This is a brand very commonly used. It's not so expensive and even it's not so cheap. This is moderate. And their designs and their stuff, their quality is very good. You should try it. But before that, you have to correct the pronunciation of this brand. This is Benetton. So our next brand is, which is commonly mispronounced by people. Well, this is a French automobile manufacturer company. And it manufactures ranges of cars and vans. Cars like Kwid, Duster are the product of this brand only. Renault. Yes, this is the correct pronunciation. Renault is a wrong pronunciation. Never pronounce this word as Renault. This is Renault. How? Renault. Yes, this is again from the cars family, all the way from America. Guess what? Cars like Spark, Beat, Tibera, they are the product of this brand. Chevrolet. Yes, this is how you have to pronounce this word, Chevrolet. This is not Chevrolet. T is silent. You have to pronounce this word as Chevrolet. Chevrolet. Repeat. Chevrolet. Yes. Next brand is one of my favorite brand actually. All the way from France. And this deals with luxury watches, accessories, sunglasses, bags, etc. Louis Vuitton. Yeah, Louis Vuitton. Both of these pronunciations are wrong. The correct way to pronounce this brand is Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. How you guys have to pronounce? Louis Vuitton. This brand is one of the leading brand in luxury goods. And their products are amazing. Trust me, they're so stylish and so fashionable. You should definitely buy something from this brand. But how you have to pronounce first? Louis Vuitton. Well, yes. Our next brand is again from the family of fashion house. This is a fashion and a luxury brand from Paris. Christian Dior. No guys, this is not Christian Dior. You have to pronounce this brand as Christian Dior. Christian Dior. How? Christian Dior. Yes. So हमारा अगला वर्ड है, अगला ब्रांड है जो हर कोई गलत बोलता है, गिवेंची. नो गाइस, दिस इज नॉट गिवेंची, दिस इज जीवॉन्शी. 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 Yes, this is a very famous brand for perfumes and cosmetics. Their perfumes are amazing. So, how you have to pronounce? Givenchy. Correct. This is the world's leading brand in cosmetics, all the way from United States. Avon. No guys, this is not Avon. The correct pronunciation of this word is A1. A1. How? A1. Correct. This is very common and हर किसी ने यूज किया होगा इस ब्रांड को ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग के लिए. Amazon. No guys, this is not Amazon. The correct pronunciation is Amazon. Amazon. Not Amazon, this is Amazon. Okay, I love buying clothes from Amazon. Next brand is again from the Cars family, all the way from Germany. Volkswagen. No guys, you were wrong. This is not Volkswagen. You have to pronounce this brand, this name as Volkswagen. Volkswagen. Okay, how? Repeat. Volkswagen. This is a German automobile manufacturer of sports car, sedans, SUVs. Guess. This is very common. Everyone knows about this brand, but no one has it. Hardly किसी के पास होगा ये कार. Porsche. Porsche. Confused? No guys, you are wrong. Porsche is a wrong pronunciation of this word, this brand. You have to pronounce this as Porsche. Porsche. Correct. So our next brand is, which is very well recognized brand, Nike. No friends, this is not Nike, this is Nike. The pronunciation of this brand is Nike. This is one of the best supplier of sports shoes and apparels. So how you have to pronounce this brand? Nike. Friends, hope आप सबको ये सारे brands के pronunciation अच्छे से समझ आए हो. And still, if you have any doubts in the pronunciation of these words, so please comment it in the comment box. And if you want to know more other pronunciation of other brands as well, so you can write the brand's name in the comment box. Okay? So till the time, keep learning, keep practicing these words, and I'll be back very, very soon with an interesting session. Okay? And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my Gista English. And make sure you click the red bell icon as well. Okay? Don't forget it. So guys, I'm signing off for the day. See you soon. Bye-bye.